All right, try this one on your own, and then and compare the answers. So a student drops a rock over the edge of the well and hears it splash into the water after 3 seconds. That's probably important information to have, 3 seconds. Write a function in the form of h of t equals negative 16t squared plus v0t plus h0 to determine the height of the rock above the bottom of the well t seconds after the student drops the rock. And, okay, so we want a function first. And then what is the distance from the surface of the water to the bottom of the well? So we basically want to know how deep is the water. But for the first part, we just want the function. And hopefully you've already done this and you come up with a similar answer. Or if not, you see why not. Negative 16t squared, that's the force of gravity on the rock, plus v0t, our initial velocity. Well, we just dropped the rock, right? We didn't throw it. So our initial velocity is actually 0. And 0 times t is just 0. So we don't have an initial velocity portion. And then our height, our initial height, we look at the diagram. And from the very bottom of the well to the very top of the well, where we pushed the rock off of the edge, is 200 feet. So negative 16t squared plus 200 is going to be our function. So that's the first part. Second part, we want to know, so the rock gets pushed off the edge of the well and it drops, and we have a timer, and at exactly 3 seconds, which is amazing, at exactly 3 seconds we hear the splash from the rock hitting the water. So what we're going to do is we want to find out what is the height of the rock at 3 seconds. So that's going to be negative 16 times 3 squared plus 200. Negative 16 times 3 squared, or negative 16 times 9, gives us negative 144 plus 200. And that equals 56 feet. Okay, so the rock, what is the distance from the surface of the water to the bottom of the well? And that would be the 56 feet, right? So in 3 seconds, it fell 144 feet. And so the distance from there to the end, that part, would be 56 feet. Okay, I think that's probably all that I'm going to do from this section. There are a couple other problems, but I just looking at them, I don't like them. So I probably won't do those. If you do have questions, if you're going through the book online, which I put up a video if you wanted extra practice and you went online, if you come across a problem and you want help figuring out how to do it, just let me know. I'm happy to make a video about it. And if you have any other questions, please ask. And that's it.